Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to turn this pork roast into some pulled pork using our Instant Pot. We recently purchased a hog locally, and this is how they got the pork butt or the roast for us, packaged like this. And pork roast is good, but I figured we'd try turning this into pulled pork. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out of the package, and all this fat right there, that top layer, I'm going to try to trim some of that off because we don't want a bunch of fat in our pulled pork sandwich. So let me take this out of the package, trim that fat off, and I'll come back to you. Alright everybody, we're back. I trimmed off that big old piece of fat off this end here. And then I used some onion powder and some black pepper and just a little bit of salt. And I didn't put too much salt because with all this fat in there, this might be a salty piece. So in here, I put some extra virgin olive oil. I turned it on to saute. It's getting hot. I just hit the off button. And we're going to put this in here to brown up these edges. Let's see if I can get this to fit. There we go. So I'll turn it on to saute. We'll try to cook up just the edges of this real quick. Let me brown these edges up. You can see it in that extra virgin olive oil. Let that get a little hotter. See it cooking now. I'll try to do this to all four sides. Get it to turn. Pretty big piece. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So I browned up all four of these edges. As best as I could. Release some of the juice. And I just have a cheap beer here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour a little bit of this beer in here. Then deglaze the bottom of that Instant Pot. Let's see what that. Try to get a spoon. Got a wooden spoon here. Alright, so now we're going to put the rest of this roast back in there. Use Coca-Cola. Supposedly, the Coca-Cola is the trick to this. And that's how you get to tenderize the meat. Now I also have some liquid smoke. Found this at Walmart. Here's the directions. And there you go. Liquid smoke. I'm just going to put a little bit of that liquid smoke on there. Never used this before. First time trying this recipe. First time trying it with pork roast, so definitely my first time using Coca-Cola in an Instant Pot. So we're going to try that. We're going to see what happens. Found some Kraft barbecue sauce. It was on sale for like 80 cents for one of these, so I figured why not. Hold that for me. Let me open this up. Okay. So I have my lid on. I have my roast in there. I have it set to sealing. So I'm just going to hit manual. Oops. Hit manual. I'm going to put it on for 80 minutes. The reason I'm doing 80 is it's a little thicker piece of meat. And we'll see what it looks like here in a little while. I'll be back in about an hour and a half and show you guys what we have. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, we're back. So it's been off now for 22 minutes. It's still unsealed. We'll switch it over to release whatever steam's left. Not much steam coming out. And usually when you release that steam, you get a good indication of how your food's gonna smell. And boy, I could tell you, sometimes when you cook meat in this and you release that, it don't smell good. But this smells really good right now. Moment of truth. First time trying this. This was an experiment. It's about done. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Just about done. Still a little bit of steam coming out of there. Be careful. Any steam that comes out of there is extremely hot. And it will burn you. So we're gonna see what this liquid smoke is all about. I've heard if you don't have a smoker, get some liquid smoke, and it really helps. And I heard it really helps for flavoring if you buy a hog locally and have it processed locally for your home consumption. But all the hog that I've tasted so far that we've bought locally, no need for that liquid smoke. Alright, it's done. Moment of truth. Oh boy. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that looks amazing. So let me get a little plate. Just grab a little paper plate I have here. Let me get a fork. And that right there is a bone. Let me see if we could. Oh wow! Did you see that? It goes right through. Super tender. Look at that. And once we shred that, look at that. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. Let me get some more light in here. Let me get that other light too, please. There we go. Now we have some more light. Look at that. That's just so tender. What we're gonna do is maybe toast some hamburger buns, cut up some pickles, maybe put some cheese on it, and we're gonna add some shredded pulled pork sandwiches. And this may be a little more fatty than other cuts of pork, say for instance like a pork tenderloin. Might not be as fatty as what this is, but we'll make it work. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And leave me a comment if you want me to try something else. Or if you try this, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.